The Commodore 64 was an 8-bit home computer introduced in 1982. The Commodore 64, you were my best friend, and lately I've been thinking of you and everything we used to do. From your sit-tunes to games,